Dharmbya Sola Ghassi using Malabhar tamarind. Ages ago, during rainy season, when there was a shortage of veggies and groceries, this Ghassi was the savior. Coconuts and the Malabar tamarind being always in plenty in old households. This Ghassi was easy to make and very tasty too. This recipe was compiled in our KKAG blog by my friend and co-author Sandhya Sanraj. To make this Ghassi, I am taking about 2 pieces of Dharmbya salt, washed it and adding to a pan in which I have put a cup of water to boil. Adding a little salt, let this cook on medium flame. Next, I take a cup of grated coconut, add 2 to 3 red chilies and half teaspoon of haldi. Grind this to a smooth paste.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमवेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सगळं चैता इदकुनो नंक छान संतोष असा. आमगेल या विशेष संस्कारू तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चड्वाने ये मुकारन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सना प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका लाइक शेयर and subscribe कोरका.
Now when the salt has cooked, add the ground masool along with some water. Bring to a boil on low flame as otherwise the curry may curdle. Stir in between. Switch off the flame when the raw smell of the masool goes off. Heat a pan with oil, splatter mustard seeds, then add quarter spoon methi seeds, 1 broken red chili, and some curry leaves. Add this to the curry. Keep covered till you are ready to serve. Enjoy this curry with some hot rice and papad. As always, like, share and subscribe.